Welcome back to another episode of Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today I will share what vegetables can be planted now in early spring, even though it's still cold and maybe freezing and snowing. These cold hardy veggies actually love cold and grow well in early spring. The first one I want to mention is lettuce. I just planted some the other day using square foot gardening method. It allows me to grow more food in small space. I love all kinds of lettuce varieties, but now I planted butterhead because it's one of the most cold-tolerant lettuces. I also grow romaine lettuce and curly leaf. Next one on our cold hardy list is spinach. I always grow spinach in the spring and then one more in the fall. Spinach is so cold hardy that it's capable of surviving freezing winter temperatures with just one layer of protection. I have used frost blanket on my spinach past winter and was able to harvest spinach until January. Then we had super cold temperatures and a lot of snow, so I have thought it died. But to my surprise, it survived, together with kale. Kale is another cold hardy vegetable. I didn't like it before, but now I've learned how to use it. I make kale chips, I add it to my smoothies and salads, and I just love it. It grows so well in cold temperatures. My favorite varieties are Red Russian, Scarlet, and Dinosaur. And I like growing kale together with spinach and lettuce. And I grow them in pots as well. Another cold hardy vegetable is carrot. Using square foot gardening method, we're able to grow 16 carrots per square foot. Of course, we sow more seeds than necessary to ensure proper germination. You can see these are my last year's harvest. Another cold hardy root crop is beet. Here's my daughter planting golden beet, 9 per square foot. And every year I grow Detroit dark red. It's in my every year's repertoire because it performs so well. Next are these 3 cold hardy veggies that can be actually planted together in one garden bed: peas, potato, and radishes. As you can see here, I'm planting peas by the wall, potato in the middle, and radishes on the edge. By the time potato gets big, I will be done harvesting my radishes because radishes grow so fast. Same with peas. It will simply not grow in the middle of hot summer, so you can only grow it in the spring or fall. And it grows fast, so I'll be able to harvest it in the beginning of June, and I'll plant some corn in its place. I also have some onion and garlic here. As you can see, they have started to sprout. I planted them last fall. And I love growing onion and garlic everywhere in my garden just because they act like pest control. They confuse animals with their smell, so animals will not munch on my other veggies. You can see these are the tiny seeds of my radishes. After I harvest them, and I hope I'll harvest them like in a month or so, then I'll plant some basil on their spot because basil is perfect as a border edge. And after I harvest these potatoes, which will be sometime in the end of June because they are Yukon Gold early variety, I will then plant some cucumbers that will be able to climb on the corn that will grow in place of this peas. This technique is called companion planting. You plant those veggies together that assist each other in growing by helping to repel insects. And here you can see I planted some spinach, kale, and lettuce in my cold frame. Thank you for watching.